Hi, I'm Agent Jay from MFR Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Pilin Basland. Are you looking for a lot in Mission Hills, Havilah Township by Pilin Basland? Tamang-tama, puntahan natin ang Santa Sofia and Santa Helena na soon magkakaroon ng mga residential offering. Tara po, samahan niyo ako. Mission Hills is a high-end subdivision inside Havilah Township located in Antipolo and Angono Rizal, offering residential lot only. And now we'll be going to Santa Sofia Phase 2 to have a sneak peek of our soon-to-open residential lot offerings. And if you're looking for a lot here in Havilah, now is your chance. Only 17 lots are available for Phase 2. It's very limited, and if you're interested, we're accepting early reservations to give chance to early buyers to choose the best lot. And right now mga kabahay, nasa Santa Sofia na tayo, Phase 2. Tara puntahan natin kung nasaan yung available ng mga residential lot offerings namin dito. So yung mag-open, ito po banda, yung nakikita nyo ngayon, almost 1 hectare po ang total land area niyan. And yung available ng mga lots again is nasa 359 square meter to 391 square meter. Total saleable units is nasa 17 lang po. So very limited. Yan, no? Kung naghahanap kayo ng residential lot only in Mission Hills, Havilah Township by Pilin Basland, so tamang-tama ang Santa Sofia Phase 2. So if you're interested, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I am from MFR Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Pilin Basland. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye!